We're walking in the main street of Belgrade. No? Yeah. Ano? Almost all the people here are wearing dark colors talaga, no? Your favorite na dark colors. It's a place where a lot of people are strolling, no? Yung walkability, magandang ang concept, no? And yung wording sa kalagay, that is Cyrillic pala, no? Cyrillic in contrast with yung Roman na language. Let us see yung directional map here. Ito na directional map. Yan. There are also mga greeneries here, no? Malamig na continuous na what I like about Belgrade, ang dami ng mga buildings, no, old buildings. The buildings are reflective of the rich history of Belgrade, no? Meron palang malunggay dito, oh. Malunggay. This is the portion of mga areas na planted with greeneries. So, ang ganda din ng itong place, no? We need places like this, no? Even sa urban areas ng Metro Manila. Very limited lang. Makita mo yung Greenbelt, BGC. But yung scale na ganito, malaki to. No, a lot of open spaces, no, walking spaces, biking spaces. Okay. Tapos yung mga tables nila displayed lang sa labas. Oh, this is the resto.
Yes, this is the restaurant here.
Okay.
On the left.
These are the open tables. No? This is our resto, no? For lunch. Called name of the resto in Cyrillic language. This one. Okay, they're here.